Hi, community. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here with me today. My name is Kristin Skelton. I'm the founder of Bud Funding, and here we are all about helping you live your best sustainable life. I've just launched a new series, which is a mini series. So each video is going to be short, and I'm just going to be covering one topic. And this is just to give you quick little videos to watch at any time so you learn how to do one skill. They're all going to be how to, so learn how to do one skill and help incorporate that into your life. And if you have any ideas for me that you would like me to cover, definitely put those in the comments of the video. I read all the comments. So today, I'm going to be sharing how to compost a toothbrush because you can't just throw this in the compost bin as is. You have to prep it a little bit. But before we dive right into today's video, I want to remind everyone that the Sustainable Human Workshop is now available on budfunding.com. So the link to access that is in the description of this video. And it's a great way to get your toes wet in the world of sustainability, get started. It's a holistic approach and you can do it on your own time. So you'll learn a little bit about the wonderful world of bees, about passive solar, about traditional indigenous knowledge, soil health, all that good stuff. So definitely get started with that. There's little homework challenges as well throughout it. And it's a great way to, start learning about the many amazing different areas of sustainability there are. And of course, if you have any questions for me, definitely put them in the comments of this video. And liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing these videos helps sustainability ripple across the globe. So thank you so much for helping me to do that. So now, what do we do with this toothbrush? Well, this part is compostable. The bristles are not. But so once you can use this as a toothbrush for your teeth. And then another great use for this is actually cleaning. So you can use it for laundry or scrubbing little corners and different things like that. But once it's kind of at the end of its life on your teeth, it's done with, and it's no longer usable for cleaning, what you'll have to do to prepare it for compost is actually take these out. So what you'll need is a set of pliers. Kind of any pliers will work. These are kind of like more pointed. And then all you do is you are going to grasp a bunch of bristles and pull them out. So you can see there, I got that. And now you can see I've started taking those bristles out, and that is really all there is to it. So you just keep going down and down and down and taking out all those bristles until they're no longer any bristles. The bristles go in the garbage. And then this stick can now be composted. And that's all there is to it. So it's pretty easy, but again, these cannot go in the compost bin. So definitely get any sort of pliers and remove them. And thank you so much for being here with me in this new mini series. Again, my name is Kristin Skelton. I'm the founder of Bud Funding. Liking, commenting, and subscribing to these videos helps sustainability ripple across the globe. And the Sustainable Human Workshop is now on my website. So the link to enjoy that workshop on your own time is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you in this community, and I will see you again very soon. Have a great day, everyone.